This week's recipe celebrates purple sprouting broccoli season, and it's a really simple pasta dish that just brings the best out of broccoli. So you want to start off by dicing it up into small pieces, keep the florets kind of intact, and then we're going to blanch those in some heavily salted boiling water for about 5 minutes until they're slightly tender but not fully cooked yet. At that point, drain them and then rinse them under some cold water. Then we're going to use 1 lemon. We're going to zest it and keep the zests to the side and then cut it in half to use the juice in our sauce as well. So for the sauce, there's a silky, smooth, creamy element to it, which is basically a pesto. Now I'm using wild garlic, but if you can't find it, just use a garlic clove and then blitzing that up with walnuts, parmesan, salt and pepper and lemon juice until it's nice and silky smooth. And that's the first part of the sauce. Then we're ready to start cooking our pasta. You can use any shape you want, but I've gone for some nice linguine. Then once it's almost cooked, you want to reserve lots of the pasta water in a jug ready to help make our sauce come together. So then in a frying pan, I'm melting some butter until it starts to foam up and starts to brown. And then as soon as it's brown, I'm adding in the lemon zest and the broccoli to stop it from cooking any further and burning. Then I'm adding my miso and plenty of the pasta cooking water. Stir that in, add the pasta that's been drained, stir it until it's nice and evenly coated, and then going in with my silky pesto, stir that in, add more pasta water if needed, just so it's lovely and silky. And then we're ready to serve up, and it's basically like an umami, savory broccoli carbonara. All that's left to do is a generous grating of parmesan on top, and then tuck in and enjoy. Bon appetit! I hope you liked this video and you give this recipe a try. If you do, please make sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think.